Yes, today was a really tough day for me. Okay. So today, this is going to be a trade breakdown for uh, 13th of November. So here is the breakdown, right? So I was live today morning after a very long time. Not a very long time, after like 5 days. So okay. What was I looking at for the for this trade? And the rest of them are like just basically trash, bro. That's another account. Like, okay, fuck it. So come on, man. So let's get it, right? What was I doing? What was I doing? When I came into the market, I was in 15 minutes time frame. So what was I looking at? Price coming down to the market open gap. So and also you can see inversion up here, price holding bearish shadow flow, creating another fair value gap right here. So that's not all of it, right? This is a market structure shift. We have a clean 15-minute imbalance, so the price can actually come back into it and like actually respect that zone and then go up. So that was my target. And so here's what I was seeing. Let me just delete that. Um, okay. I lost $1,000 on this trade. That was a fresh account and I blew it. So let me just show that too. So here it is. This account is basically gone. This is an XFA. All 10 trades, everything is a losing trade. Uh, that's a complete red on this account. I don't know. Anyways, let me just show the PL of this account. So this is, I don't know what's that. So, but this was the trade. Pretty nice trade. And that was also, it's actually the same trade on this account. So we are doing good on this account, 3 days. Let's see how this one plays out. I'll get a payout by Wednesday, next Wednesday, probably if I get some high quality setups. And I'm all on top of it. I'm gonna get another three evals and I'm gonna connect them all and I'm gonna trade with them. So by my next payout, I can actually by my next payout, I can activate it and then like we can connect all five accounts and just trade with minimum risk. So did the math, right? Did the math, bro. So we just need a winning day. Okay, let me go ahead and break this down. So forget about this trade, right? Forget about the sell entry and the buy entry. This was the actual entry, and my target was here. Um, Eventually would have got stopped out if I would have been in the first trade. Then, so at least I should have targeted that. That's all good. So why did I do this? Price was actually coming down, multiple inversion fair value gaps in 15 minutes time frame. And also we have a huge breakup structure, breakup structure, breakup structure, breakup structure. There's another breakup structure. So we got multiple breakup structures. So as I was looking at it, price actually coming back, pulling back into the fair value gap and then rejecting, pulling back in the fair value gap somewhere around here. That's like the height of the fair value gaps, rejecting. Inversion, rejection. So basically the same pattern, right? You can actually see an inversion up here. So we have a fair value gap. Inversion up here, we have a fair value gap. Inversion, fair value gap. So it's basically the same. So I was actually following the flow, order flow. I was targeting this. I definitely have to come back down to the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. And yeah, so this was a pre-market trade. I went in and so it was almost perfect trade. as I got into a position exactly at the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. Had my stop loss about literally I took off my hands from the mouse. I didn't actually do anything. I let the trade play out. The one thing to regret is that I had my stop loss at this point and I moved down to here. So I could have at least made $500 on that account. But it's okay. It's okay. We made $400 on the day. That's all good. That's all that matters. So I don't care about the account that's gone. I can take a payout from this account and the first account. So first account is basically I'm focused on um, building capital. Like I'm gonna build buffer. That account I actually wanted to do it a little bit aggressive. So that's the reason why it's gone. And the rest of the accounts only A plus setup. This is an A plus setup. So I took this account, I mean, took this trade and I might have got stopped out if my stop loss was a point down. So I was okay. I was like almost, I got escaped, almost got escaped from that tree. So this was my break even point. So once the price closed below that, that's when I break even the trade. And then boom, bada boom, hit my take profit. So it was a pretty nice trade. And I am really, really, really happy for it. So not happy for the next account, but I mean, the other account. I was supposed to trade on that account, so that's the one trade where it is not this one. So that was the trade. So it's okay. We still have tomorrow morning New York session. Let's see how it goes, right? Not sure. Not sure, by the way. Um, yeah, that's it. And I'm out. These I have to say one thing, and yeah, please, bro, if you're watching this, do not actually do the same thing on the next two accounts. I did one good thing as soon as I got my winning day. I locked myself out. Today morning, I had a fresh account, a fresh 50K account. It's an XFA. I don't know what got into me, and I was like trading like a retard motherfucker. So it's okay. It's all good. Always set your risk. I'm gonna connect these two accounts and then risk only like around like $250 per day, and that's going to be my risk. And I'm not going to risk more than that. Uh, Probably one or two contracts maximum two trades. So basically, I would be getting locked out after that. Yeah, yeah. On top of it, I am going to get three evals, and I'm going to connect them all, and I'm going to pass them all at once. So let's see how this one goes, right? Hope everything goes right. Adios.